about just creating a business, it was pursuing our passion. We want to create floors that are long-lasting and will stand the test of time. We are the leader in Treasure Coast and Palm Beaches for epoxy floors and polished concrete. Every step of our process is designed to ensure a flawless finish. From the surface prep, to the installation, to the equipment, to the employees, everything's top-notch. We take pride in every project we complete. For us, it's not about just coating floors, it's about transforming spaces.
23 and 12.14, ready, 1,
Our business strategy for Superior Floor Coatings is to be the best and clear-cut solution for epoxy floors and polished concrete. With Superior Floor Coatings, you get more than just a beautiful floor, you get peace of mind. We have the best equipment to be the most efficient at what we do. From start to finish, it's done the right way the first time. It's not just coating or polishing floors, it's creating a legacy for future generations for many years to come. When I started Superior Floor Coatings, I had one goal in mind: to revolutionize the way people see and experience epoxy flooring and concrete polishing. In 2015, I started with one 22-inch grinder and one vacuum. We now grew to over 5 trucks, 8 trailers, and 5 crews. We can handle any project from 1,000 square feet to 200,000 square feet. We want to be the clear and easy choice for epoxy floors and polished concrete. We have the right equipment, the proper training, and the correct techniques. We do whatever it takes to get the job done in a timely manner and as efficient as possible. It's more than the mere ground. It's for the foundation of our legacy. Not only are we building a business, but we're providing for families. Without the Superior team, the company would not be what it is today. The Superior team puts in their blood, sweat, and tears to provide the best possible floor in an efficient manner. When you choose Superior Floor Coatings, you're not choosing some franchise from California. You're choosing us, a family-built company with morals that is one phone call away.